Willa, the Jimbos, the Jets, the Jimbos. The dog is in the house, man. Hey, the dog is in the house after so many years. I am back, man. Hooray! Hey, what's that about? So, I really had this bike, 2021. It sat there for like 4 years. And like this year, I said, no more sitting for you, baby.
Shit, bro.
So I decided to take this old bike and renew it.
Covering this guy. It's been a long time since I just let it sit. Yeah, I just let it sit, you know. It's a body drop. As we can see. She's tucking there. Re-engineered the frame, yeah. I think I may cut it here. Maybe increase the ride height, you know. Do a 45-degree strut here. Cross bracing here. Reupholster the seats. I don't know which color I must paint it though. What color must I paint this thing, bro? You feel me? Yeah, she's low, bro. She's low. It's a low bike. Like it's a low rider.
It was recently lowered, but it was too low for my liking. You feel me? Cause hey, I know I'm a maniac, but I ain't that maniac. You feel me? So I decided to re-engineer the bike so that the geometry can be perfectly okay. Well, I did face some minor challenges, but it is nothing major, you know. It is nothing major, I tell you.
If operate, it's a bitchin' ride. It's a bitchin' ride.
After re-engineering the back at my local welder, I was also involved in fixing everything here. So I fixed the back, painted the frame black so that I can preserve the metals. And yeah, let's assemble the bike, man. Now the bike, as you can see, it has such a long crank, but hey, what can I say, man? But let's fascinate and enjoy the music, man. Enjoy the music. past like 6 years, somewhere like that. It's been a long time, so I decided to visit him. A long time no see. And he's the mechanic. He adjusted a few things for me, like the brake shoes, the brakes, and most importantly, my steering. Hey, that thing was so stiff, like an old car. So I decided to take my bike to him. Here's the interview, eh?
Several days later.
So basically, here it's 26, ne?
Yeah, 26.
Yeah.
It was a Humber. This bike used to be Shawel. It used to sell brooms.
Yeah, if you know those uncles about Paisama emission, yeah, but most of their music is fine. Check. It was a stock 26 bike.
But because I'm crazy.
Well, it's because for the love of stands, Sayehlisa, right?
This is like a 18 centimeter drop.
Yeah, he went low. I can't say we because I'm too lazy to do such stuff, guys.
18 centimeters.
Something that was done by who's this guy from Dog Side of Landlords? Well, I mean Landlords. Junior, the one who has a crazy sound name. He also did the same style, but he dropped, I don't know, 26 or 29 using Amar rim. See, even Tapside, guys. Yeah, at least tell us I got Tapside, something like that. Check, but this one's, yeah, young son.
Brazilian.
Limpopo spec. He's lying. This is Limpopo spec. Check. So we're not yet done. He's not yet done. I don't know why I'm doing group work. Still have to make this bounce. Check. Not yet bouncy. We have to hoi color that. What color go? Pink and green because we're from Limpopo, yeah.
I'm going to go and suvong what? Ntakutsema nyofi bailing a tembi.
I said that. I'm choosing the color for him. And you see tires, we have an issue on my tire, but you'll see they will be pure white. What else? Oh, he has to change he has to change the steering, and yeah. You'll see the results. So both the bikes, the combo is back. If you know, you know. I don't listen to him. We are so innocent, guys. We're not crazy. So the combo is back. If you know, you know. If you know us, you know us. But if you know, you know. The combo is back. Okay. Maybe it's because of the wind, yeah. Because there's a